in a National Air and Space Smithsonian. Take your friends and your family in 2022. Thomas W. Haas Wheel Flight Gallery will be on right at the entrance. This very plane you see spiraling in the air, the Orbital Challenger 3. Mr. Sean D. Tucker pulling back up to the sky. How about a front flip, Tennessee? This one's going to spin his plane end over end, coming to a stop in the sky. That's it. Spiraling now, inverted. Yeah, you're looking at that plane, right? He's upside down, so there's a lot of blood going to his head, hanging from those shoulder straps. Slow half release and off that pressure. Now they do another original maneuver. This one is the Hui loop. It starts as a big inside loop, little tumble at the top, and starting right now, it changes into an outside loop. More pressure on his head, man. This guy is tough. It's the Hui loop. Go. Sean locks in his sights, all three ribbons. Focusing in on that first ribbon. Getting his wheels 18 feet off the ground, 280 miles an hour. Right knife edge through ribbon number 1. It's a left knife edge through ribbon number 2. Inverted, taking out that third and final ribbon. He is pushing his limits, pushing his... at 3 separate flight attitudes. And right now it's the world's smallest inside loop. Okay, as Sean rolls his airplane to Airshow right, that's our indication he has now cleared the show line as obstruction free. He's now ready to attempt to slice all 3 of those ribbons. Break in life at Zone High School in Salinas, California. Find out more at thebobhooveracademy.org. He's got one more trick up his sleeve for you. This one's a Harrier pass, going to try to bring his plane to a hover, zeroing it down from 10-mile-an-hour forward airspeed. That's it. He brings his plane to a stop, working those rudders beautifully, using only 70% of his horsepower. Folks, planes shouldn't be able to do that. Let's give one final round of applause for Mr. Sean D. Tucker. Thanks for flying with us, Tennessee. We will see you back this afternoon, but Sean's going to have another pilot, esteemed aviatrix, off this plane. Jesse Panzer. Together they form Team Oracle. You don't want to miss it. That and many more happening this afternoon. Rick Peterson, what do you think of that?